This is a short clip showing you how nutrient agar plates are prepared. The nutrient agar has been melted, autoclaved. It comes as a powder, so water is added, heated up, autoclaved, sterilized, so now it's all ready to be poured. I have the plates. All I am doing right now, or I'm about to do, is to pour a certain amount, not necessarily measured, but a certain amount into each of the petri dishes. These petri dishes, once they're done, will be left out to cool and solidify. You can see I'm stacking them up. That makes life much easier than having to each plate on the bench top and adding to individual plates. But instead, you prepare a stack. There is no definite way of actually preparing it, but this is just the way I did it. So now I'm finished. I will let this solidify, and within, let's say, less than an hour, what you're going to have what you will have are the solid nutrient agar plates. Now let me show you what the nutrient agar plate looks like. So I have a solidified example of it. So here I have a plate. This is solid, this is hard, but this is what we actually would inoculate, so the nutrient agar. Now it's really soft. It's like a little harder than the consistency of gelatin. So if you touch it, you feel, the consistency of that particular medium. Here I am kind of breaking it apart just to show you how it actually feels like. Alright, so here I demonstrated how nutrient agar plates are prepared.